Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond, and I think it is time that we start looking at other factors that are causing the stock not to have that short squeeze or the surge that we're anticipating. Is it because the stock is losing traction? Maybe nobody's talking about it on the threads of Wall Street Bets. Because at the end of the day, believe it or not, this was sort of a meme stock where the price manipulation was coming from the retail investors. If they're not talking about the stock, then it's very hard for the stock to survive that hedge fund manipulation where they're just shorting the stock. And shorting, as I said yesterday, I made a video, borrow fee right now is like above 300, which means that institutions are pretty much sure that stock is going to go down. So let's look at Wall Street Bets. In last 1 month, the stock was mentioned about 108 times, which is 89%. Not a skyrocketing number. Like, this is not a skyrocketing number, okay? Sentiment is negative as of today, in last 7 days. Like, it's not great. Like, it's not going in positive, meaning like everybody's 100% going for the stock. It's not the case right now. There was a lot of discussion in January, right? There was some discussion in January 17th. Some discussion happened on the day it took off, February 7th, where it went to $7. And after that, there's not a lot, there's a little bit. And which is why we're not seeing any manipulations. If you see today, I mentioned these levels yesterday. And I said if the stock falls from $2.29 down, then it's going to go down to lower levels of January or $1.92. And I did mention that in my video yesterday. It stopped at $1.92 because there is some support available for $1.92 as well. So if it comes further down, it's going to keep coming down to $1.27. At this point, we need to really watch and see the stock. And I'm watching the stock daily. As I said, I'm making daily videos on this. And the objective is to get you guys information, right? Even that Reddit information. I want to try to give you that information practically daily because I know financially the company's not going to survive this. Eventually, they're going to come down. And there's a lot of shorting happening on the stock. And any one quick manipulation can cause a surge, which can really bring some good amount of dollars in there. Again, not a financial advice, but this is what I'm hoping for. I'm waiting for. This is the objective of the video as well. And I definitely cover other stocks as well. So if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. My objective is to get you guys information, right? Not really try to persuade you and give you information daily so you can make a decision. If there is a hike or there's a surge, you exactly know why the surge is. There's no backdoor or you don't know what's happening. No, this is a short squeeze. If this surge does happen, at that point is a short squeeze. It's not financial. It's not like Bed Bath & Beyond. It's going to, have some tremendous billion-dollar sales that, in a month that you will say, okay, this is what's happening. It's none of that. If the surge does happen, it's going to be short squeeze. But for now, it looks like the sentiment is coming down a little bit for the stock. But again, you never know, right? It's just things get picked up really quick. So you don't want to be left behind. So I'm definitely going to keep making videos on this. Try to cover this for next few days and see what happens for the stock. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing as it keeps me motivated. So thank you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.